have to get involved.
We got boys that fucking
You're wrong. You don't care about America? You do. I care about shit. I don't care about all the wars and stuff. We don't care about the war. I'm talking about him. You're talking about, that's very absurd. You know it. You don't have any idea what's happening right now. I have no clue. America's going to be a third world country if we don't do something. Huh?
That's your landlord. Just let him go. I mean, pretty smart.
And you were saying about me? I don't give a fuck about nothing. That's exactly right. And you know what? You're exactly right. But anyway, go ahead. I'm not kidding, because I don't give a fuck. Yes, you do. And I really don't give a fuck about nothing. Yes, you do. And there ain't no F. Handler bus that's going to change my mind.
I'm here to tell you that right now you don't give a fuck about nothing.
You care about America. I care about you. Care about America.
I don't give a fuck about nothing.
No. This guy cares about America. And he'll say it one second.
Don't worry.
But you know what?
Hopefully they got it.
He just was killed there. There was a couple of there.